This NexPow 2008 portable car jumper arrived today, and we're going to open it up and we're going to take a close look at it. So this one has a recharge time of 6 hours, and you can charge it in your vehicle. You can also charge any USB device such as mobile phones, tablets, cameras. It does have a multi-mode LED flashlight that has 35 plus hours of use on a full charge. It's very small and compact. Comes with a nice case. Also comes with a USB cable for charging. Yeah, this is super easy to figure out. It does say to keep it above 50% charged if you're going to charge a vehicle. I do like that you can charge this inside of your car. Makes it convenient for charging as you're driving when you want to just make sure that it's fully charged. I like it. Hope you have yourself a good day.